Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Microsoft Edge, and if desired, sign into your profile so changes sync. Once done, click the three-dot menu in the top right and select Settings to jump straight into configuration. From Settings, navigate to Privacy, Search, and Services. This groups search behavior and address bar controls. Make sure to scroll down to the address bar and search section so you can view the current default and the option to manage search engines. This is where you'll change it. You now manage search engines. Click Manage Search Engines to list what's available. If your preferred engine isn't listed, click Add and enter the engine name, a short keyword, and the search URL using %s where queries go. This tells Edge how to format requests. Once the engine appears in the list, find its row, click the three-dot menu, and choose Make Default. This replaces the current default for the address bar. Make sure to confirm the URL is correct, so queries return. You finish by verifying the change. Type a search in the address bar and confirm results come from the new engine. If results still show the old engine, restart Edge and make sure sync is enabled for settings so changes propagate across devices. If that doesn't help, remove the engine entry and add it again with the exact search URL. Occasionally, you must reset specific settings in Edge to clear caches. If problems persist, that single troubleshooting step usually resolves misbehaving defaults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.